Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will continue our topic fraction part 5. The topics today are add two proper fractions with unlike denominators and subtract two proper fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, unlike here we are referring to not same. Okay, not same. Right. Okay, before we solve the problems, the important note that you must remember is the denominators must be same. Okay, same before solving the questions. The denominator here is we are referring to number 5 if for this question. The denominators are the number down or number below. Okay, we must make sure these numbers are same, then we can solve the questions. Okay, right, the first one, add two proper fractions with unlike denominators. Okay, example 1, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 4. Okay, we can see here 2 and 4 is not same. So we have to change number 2 to 4. Alright. For primary 3, your lesson is easy for you to remember. You just change the denominator to the bigger number. So here 4 and 2, 4 is bigger than 2. So you change 2 to 4. How you want to change it? You must use multiplication. Alright, so 1 times 1 multiply with 2, we get 2. 2 multiply with 2, we get 4. And then we copy back the question. So 2 over 4 plus 1 over 4 equal 3 over 4. Alright, this number you don't have to simplify because it's already simplified. Okay, next question. Example 2. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 6. So we can see here 2 and 6 is not same. So we have to change 2 to 6. How? We multiply with number 3. 1 times 3, 3. 2 times 3, 6. And then plus with 1 over 6. Okay, we write the denominator because it's same. 3 plus 1, 4. Okay, 4 over 6, we can simplify it with dividing it with number 2. So, 4 divide with 2 equal 2. 6 divide with 2 equal 3. Okay, now we get the answer. Okay. Okay, example 3. 1 over 3 plus 4 over 9. Okay, so the bigger number here is 9. 3, we want to change it to 9, we have to multiply it with 3. Okay, look below first. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 times 3, 3. Plus with 4 over 9. Okay, you can do equal over 9. 3 times 4, 3 plus with 4, 7. Okay, you don't have to simplify because it is already simplified. Okay, now we move to subtract. Okay, subtract also same. We have to make the denominator same. The difference is only you minus. Okay, so we have to change 2 to 4. Same rule, same step. You multiply 1 times 2 equal 2. 2 times 2, 4. But look here, it's different now. We are subtracting. So 1 over 4. Okay, so 2 minus 1 equal 1. So the answer is 1 over 4. You don't have to simplify already because it's simplified already, right? Okay, example 5. 5 over 6 minus 1 over 3. So here we have to change 3 to 6. How? We multiply it with number 2. So 5 over 6 minus 1 times 2, 2. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, down here we write 6. 5 minus 2 equal 3. Okay, we can simplify this fraction. So, when we simplify, we divide it with 3 is equal 1. 6 divide with 3 equal 2. So, the answer is 1 over 2. Alright. Example 6. 7 over 10 minus 1 over 2. Okay. So, 1 over 2. 2 and 10 is not same. We have to change it to 10. With what? Times with 5. Okay. 1 times 5, 5. 2 times 5, 10. Okay. When the denominator is same, then we can minus. 7 minus 5 equal 2. 10 we bring out here. Okay, and then we simplify. We divide it with 2. 2 divided with 2 equal 1. 10 divided with 2 equal 5. So, the final answer is 1 over 5. Okay. So, basically, that's it. You must remember what number that is. You have to change it to the bigger number. The denominator, you have to change it to the bigger number by using multiplication. Okay. Please do exercise at quizzes. Make sure you get all the questions correct. If you didn't get full mark, you can do it one more time. You can do it more than one time. So try to do it until you get full mark. Okay. Any questions, you can ask me at Telegram. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.